In this video demonstration, we're going to show you a folding scooter that's new to the market by Rebooter. It's called the X40. Stay tuned. All right, so this is a new product that just came out on the market by Rebooter. This is called the X40. This is a 265-pound weight capacity power chair that folds down into a really small, compact unit for transporting this. Now, it is still heavy. It still is 92 pounds, so it's not going to be something you're just going to easily lift up if you're elderly or that you're handicapped. But if you do have plenty of help, this is a pretty neat, unique scooter on the market. It does go about 3.75 miles per hour. It's about a 15-mile range. What makes it really unique too is these have some, there's another brand on the market that has similar types of wheels. These types of wheels almost glide in the front. So the way you maneuver on hardtop surfaces, it glides really easily. It's going to turn really nice. But really the main feature behind this is the folding capability. This does have a 20 amp hour battery pack, so it is not approved for any type of airline transportation. But another thing that's pretty cool with this is you do actually have remote control access through an app on your phone. So if you download an app, which comes in the manual, you can scan it for Android or for Apple. You can then actually control the speed on here. You can drive it through the app. You can check your battery power. You can turn the unit on and off from the app. So that's a pretty cool thing. Another reason I like this, it's got a nice digital display here that shows you your speed, your battery life, everything on the unit. A couple specs that we'll go over with this unit. I did say it's 265-pound capacity, but do remember if you're a little bit of on the larger side, it's a 17-inch wide seat by 17 inches in depth. There is no adjustability on that. The cushion, you can take it off and put a different cushion on the bottom if you want. Your serial number and the barcode right here to actually start activating the scooter is right here underneath the seat. But do just remember that is going to be the only size that you're going to get. It's a one size fits all. It's not an adjustable type unit. Some things people like to know, the top of the seat to the ground is about 23 to 23 and a half inches from the top of the seat to the ground. So it's going to sit a little bit higher than a standard power chair. But like I said, this is not a standard power chair. This is something that's kind of just unique. It looks different, it's cool, and it folds down. So what I'll show you here in this video is how this unit's going to fold down. We'll do a video overlay on this, but you can actually hit the plus symbol and the horn. The minus symbol and the horn, and if you hold those at the same time for about 3 seconds, the unit's going to begin to fold down, and you'll see how it folds down. It's really sleek, it's really compact, it does look futuristic. I'll turn it around here in a minute because you have lights in the back, but this is what you're going to get right here overall size wise on the unit. The footplate does flip up, so what you're going to get spec wise on this unit when it's folded, you're going to be at about 24 inches in width. The overall length's about 34 inches, and then the highest part's going to be right here on the back of your seat, and that's going to be about 15 inches. So if you do have a small, compact place that you need to put this in, you are able to put that into some really tiny, small spaces. I believe you can probably stand this unit up. You can if you need to store it that way. You can see it's got nice brushless motors down here in the bottom. It's got your 2 motor unlock and locks right here. And you can actually see right here in the front too that I did not notice this while it has suspension here in the front as well. Now this unit is sitting here talking to me, so you might want to turn the power off. So the way that you're going to unfold this scooter is you're going to do the opposite. You're going to hit the plus symbol and the horn. Now this unit actually speaks to you. It's going to say start expanding. There are some other features on here that I've noticed too that are a little bit unique. Not sure how safe they're going to be, but you can put cruise control on this thing. If you know you're going long distances in a park, you can put cruise control on. I think it's by holding down the plus key and then driving at a certain speed. While holding that down, it's going to actually lock the joystick in that certain control speed. Now do remember, take it off and don't run into objects. This unit has 10-inch tires all the way around, front and back. It's got anti-tip wheels as well. Like I said, I'm going to turn around and show you the back of the unit because it does look unique. I do think this is more robotic looking, which kind of goes with the brand name. You got lights here and there. In the back of the unit, if you ever had to put this in freewheel to move the unit around, you can. You have these red knobs back here. If you push both of them down, what you're doing is you're disengaging the motor. You're really disengaging the electromagnetic brake, which puts it into freewheel. Now do remember, if this is in freewheel and you have the unit on, it will not drive. So this does always have to be in the up position like this to be able to drive the unit. I'm not sure if they have other color options on this particular unit, but we'll show you that if you go to our website. There are going to be some different color options that you can choose from. Obviously this is the white color here. To remove your battery up here in the front, you're going to pull the orange tab back and you're going to lift up. Now this is a 20 amp battery, which shows it's got 480 watt hours, which is more than what is approved for airlines. This is not an airline travel unit. But you can take your battery pack out of your unit and you can charge it right here in the bottom. You do have the three-prong charging port right there. Your battery drops back in, and you make sure you want to click it back in just so it stays locked in place and it's not going to disconnect the power while driving the unit. But there not only is any other battery sizes, this is the one size they have for this unit. The joystick can go on the right-hand side or the left-hand side. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go drive this outside and just kind of see how it navigates. Follow us out there. This is the Rebooter X40. This is their folding power chair. To get a perspective, I'm 6 foot tall, 220 pounds. This has a 265 pound weight capacity. What makes this unit unique is it's got these 10-inch tires. I'm not exactly sure what the true name for these types of tires are. They also have this on a couple other brands out there on the market, but these tires are able to glide over objects really easily. It's got 3.75 mile an hour top end speed and about a 15-mile range. Now this does have a 10-degree climbing angle, so that is a pretty good climbing angle. A lot of things are like a 7 to 8 degree climbing angle on the market. This is a 10-degree climbing angle. So if you're looking for a chair that's going to be a hard top surface that's folding, that looks really unique and sleek. I mean, look at the lights in the back. It's a really cool unit. It does speak to you with a digital display. I would take a look at this unit here.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Mark's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.